Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Islam encourages giving children meaningful names. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "On the day of judgment, Allah will call a person by his name and the name of his parents, so give beautiful names." In today's episode, I will share with you 70 Islamic names for boys along with their meanings. If you watch till the end, I hope you will find a name you like. So, without further delay, let's take a look at the names.
Shayan, meaning deserving, worthy. Rayhan, meaning sweet basil, fragrance of paradise. Huzaifa, meaning wise, intelligent, name of a Sahabi. Rayyan, meaning a gate of Jannah, lush and plentiful. Azlan, meaning lion, brave warrior. Hamza, meaning strong, steadfast, name of Prophet's uncle. Arham, meaning very kind, merciful. Imran, meaning prosperity, long-lived. Zishan, meaning high status, dignified. Zayan, meaning graceful, beautiful. Ali, meaning high, noble, exalted. Zain, meaning beauty, grace. Ayan, meaning gift of God, fortunate. Anas, meaning friendly, companion, comfort. Saad, meaning good fortune, happiness. Aryan, meaning noble, honorable. Abir, meaning fragrance, perfume. Faisal, meaning decisive, judge. Rizwan, meaning satisfaction, pleasure of Allah. Junaid, meaning soldier, warrior of faith. Zaid, meaning growth, abundance. Omer, meaning life, intelligent, generous. Amir, meaning prosperous, full of life. Uzair, meaning precious, beloved. Abrar, meaning righteous, virtuous people. Adnan, meaning eternal, settler. Irfan, meaning knowledge, wisdom. Sahil, meaning shore, guide. Sufyan, meaning fast-moving, devoted. Danish, meaning knowledgeable, wise. Aman, meaning peace, safety. Ayaz, meaning noble, modest. Rohan, meaning spiritual, compassionate. Asif, meaning clever, strong. Salman, meaning safe, secure, companion of Prophet Saws. Umar, meaning long life, name of Caliph Umar. Ahad, meaning one, unique, name of Allah. Abdullah, meaning servant of Allah. Afan, meaning modest, polite. Kian, meaning royal, nature, existence. Taimur, meaning brave, iron strong. Hamdan, meaning praiseworthy, grateful. Fahad, meaning leopard, strong. Farhan, meaning happy, joyful. Aaron, meaning high mountain, exalted. Ahmad, meaning praiseworthy, one of Prophet's names. Asad, meaning lion, courageous. Samir, meaning good companion, pleasant. Hassan, meaning handsome, good, beautiful. Arabi, meaning Arabic, belonging to Arabs. Faizan, meaning blessings, generosity. Arsalan, meaning lion, fearless. Taha, meaning pure, one of the names of Prophet Saws. Kaif, meaning joy, delight. Shuaib, meaning a prophet's name, righteous. Ahil, meaning intelligent, capable, leader worthy. Noman, meaning blood of flower, blessed. Haris, meaning guardian, protector. Hussein, meaning combination of Hassan and Hussein. Adyan, meaning religions, obedient. Haidar, meaning brave, lion, title of Ali Raziyallahu anhu. Izhan, meaning obedience to Allah. Arif, meaning knowledgeable, wise. Talha, meaning a companion of Prophet Saws. Uwais, meaning little wolf, name of Uwais Karni. Azhar, meaning radiant, shining. Hamad, meaning one who praises Allah often. Azan, meaning call to prayer. Zubair, meaning strong, courageous. Usman, meaning gentle, name of Caliph Usman. Saif, meaning sword, bravery. Bilal, meaning moisture, name of first muazzin. Aban, meaning clear, eloquent. Maz, meaning protected, refuge. Sarim, meaning sharp sword, brave. Suhail, meaning gentle, smooth, name of a star.
Which name from today's video did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And to get more beautiful videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay with us.